What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see today is track day for RnB. I mean, we taking two at a time today. Cuz over here, y'all see Cuz over here, man. He finna drive RnB down there, and we're gonna have fun with both of them today, man. We're gonna run RnB too on the hard tire, see what it do, and we just gonna see what happens. Cause y'all know it's been a long time since RnB been on track for real, like probably 5 or 6 months. And when it was on the track, it had a float problem. The floats were too high, and it was spitting out the vent tube. So, and it still did good down there. So we're gonna see what it do today, man. Have a little fun with it. So y'all just stay. Y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see RnB right here. Cuz made it down through here. So we about to gas up. Gotta get the key, you know, the gas cap. Oh, you got it. About to gas up, man. Then we're gonna be at the track. So y'all just stay. All right, y'all. About to go ahead and make a hit in old RnB. Then I'm let Cuzzo, Malcolm over there, man. And then I'm let Cuzzo make a hit. We'll hot lap this bad boy. We'll hot lap old girl, man. She good. So like I said, it's a lot of do out here. So we're gonna see what it do. We're gonna see what it do. Probably the slowest car on the property today, but one of the cleanest though. So yeah, man, I'm finna make a hit and then come back and then let Cuzzo make a hit, which y'all see that on his channel. So y'all stay tuned. Checking in. Got me a race, Monte CARLO, bad boy fan too. Giving me the back tire, man. 9-second car. We're gonna see what it do. I like to play around. We're gonna see what it do. riding on a hard time, boy. Good God Almighty. Shit. Hey, man. I might have to go get him in Dolo. I might have to get him the back tire in Dolo, man. He did me dirty, y'all. He did me dirty. It is a riding on the hard time, boy. Good God Almighty. Alright, man. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what it did. We're gonna see what it did, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. That Carlo did me dirty, man. That money Carlo did me dirty, man. I knew it. That car run good, though. I'm out here just having fun, man. Carlo finna make a shakedown in the Cutlass, and then finna see what it do, y'all. So y'all just stay. Alright, y'all, checking back in, man. Got RnB stage lane. We're going ahead and let Carlo make a shakedown with this. I ain't even looked at the ticket. But that ain't a real ticket call. Like I said, I got the back tire, man. I like playing around with folk, racing and stuff like that. So, Carlo get over here. We're gonna let him get in there and put the GoPro in there and then make a hit. And we're gonna see what it do. So y'all stay tuned. Oh, y'all look. We got some action in Carlo, man.
Right, I still want like a mile lit. I thought it was Halloween time, man.
They got
it out for the track.
Got Carlo out here, get some great action. It's a hometown stuff, man. It's all love, man. We got Carlo out here, man. It's all of us from the hometown.
Right beside him somewhere.
Hey, man, we just be having fun, man. We from the same hometown and stuff, man. It's all love stuff. But Carlo finna make a hit. He finna make a hit, man. So, you know, I just stay tuned. Look, y'all, they over here talking about the fishing, man.
Yep. Where they give you the blues still?
Got my fam Jerry. My fam Jerry, he be filming for me in book.
Y'all been all having a wreck man between y'all.
Oh, right? Hey, he said, hey, they talking about fishing, man. Y'all might see some fishing on the channel. Hey,
he done took it first hand a couple of times.
Carlo.
Tell y'all what, Saturday.
Hey, look, what the prediction though between Jeremy and Jerry? Like, what you think gonna turn out? Y'all go fishing?
She ain't gotta work tomorrow.
I ain't gotta work tomorrow.
But what's up?
Ain't nobody
give
me a time in the play.
Look, Jerry's they been fishing a long time, boy. And he called out he said kill y'all.
I kill man.
He said kill him in fishing, man.
I kill
all on, hey, they been fishing a long time, boy. It'll take me 4 hours to catch one. It'll take me 4 hours to catch one. I'll be out there just enjoying the sound of the water.
It might be true now.
Hey, I enjoy the sound of the water, man. But yeah, man, we out here chilling. Cause they got the what's name?
You ain't got a bite or no caught no fish.
They got the red light on, so we ain't doing nothing. We just out here. We just out here having a good time, just chilling out. So, turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all. So back from the track with RnB, man. We just made one hit, got everything put up. Shout out to Cuzzo for the help. As always, good day, man. Made one little hit. That was it. We ran the I try to run somebody every time. Ooh, weird dog. I try to run somebody every time, man. I go to the track. I try to play with somebody that cool, man. I always get asked to race. They're just normal. I look for that. Sometimes, and these people, some people watch, man. They know my cars. They know which cars run what, and some people just sleep on some cars. But like, don't nobody say nothing about that Camaro. People ain't doing. I tell you that, and I play around too. But that Monte Carlo I ran, I knew he was gonna beat me. Just like the other week when I ran the Mustang in brown coat, I knew there was a race car. I looked in it. And he said, I drive it. I said, man, I know you got a race car, man. But it is what it is. You know, it's a lot of people ain't like me, especially these days. They will not go out there if they know they're going to lose. They pride too big. I ain't got no pride, man. You beat me, and I got multiple cars, too. And I can make stuff happen quick, too. So, I'm not in no competitive spirit. That ain't what I do. That ain't what I do. I don't care about all that, man. I just like to have fun, give y'all content, and y'all get to see me out there racing or having a good time. And I like to show people this is why you drag race. You don't drag race cause you scared, or you don't want to race somebody, or you know you're gonna lose, or you know somebody outpower you. That car I ran, I've been seeing that car many times at the track. I know he dialed in on hard time. I know they car fast on hard tires or whatever. And everybody know R&B slow. I done told my times on the net plenty of times. Everybody know R&B is a cruiser. Keep telling y'all that thing is a cruiser, man. I still didn't get in the 8s. even with what he gave me the back tire, I still didn't get in the 8s. I say that much. But I ain't gonna say what it did just out of respect for him. But yeah, it still didn't get in the 8s, man. But I didn't seriously run it either, and I didn't shift it like I normally would shift it, cause I'm like, man, this man gone. That's why I'm getting y'all the entertainment on the GoPro. But he got a nice car for real. They car fast, man. They car fast on hard tire. But y'all gonna see me doing some hard tire stuff, man, with Dolo. With Dolo and John Jones, cause I got John Jones doing pretty good on some hard tire. I've been doing some stuff behind the scenes, don't nobody know about. And I got that car doing pretty nice on hard tire. So I'm gonna start doing some hard tire racing with John Jones too. And all of that. But other than that, see, it was a good day. We took R&B. Y'all got to see her go down the track. She hadn't been down the track in months or whatever. She had her first race and her first loss in the same day. She had her first race and first loss in the same day. But whatever. Now she went down beside that a Scat Pack before too. Scat Pack beat it. That when it was messing up out the bowls. But this time I just really didn't shift it and all this stuff. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it, man. Like I said, we'll go back when we get the new heartbeat in R&B. Then we'll be a little something, a little threat to some people. Cause y'all see how I do my program. People laugh when my stuff wasn't running right. I told them, I said, when I get together, watch how stuff gonna go. Now folk gonna want to see me lose and stuff, but don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. But anyway, that's it, man. I'm finna get in this house, man. I'm tired. But I'm still gonna edit, grind it out. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.